Hey everyone, I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to do a quick lesson on how to clean your bathroom. I have a few different cleaners here. This is a Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Actually, it's not Lysol, it's Clorox. This will be for scrubbing the toilet clean. I have some Windex. This is a glass cleaner for the mirror. And then I have what's called a disinfectant multi-surface cleaner that I'm going to use for the sink and the countertop and the handles. You could also use wipes for your countertop if you had those. That would be an option too. So typically the first thing I do when I clean my bathroom is I get a garbage bag and I empty out the trash. The second thing that I do is I get my toilet bowl cleaner and then I put it in my toilet so it can sit for a little while I'm washing the mirror and the vanity. So to do that, switch my camera here so you all can see. I'm gonna lift the lids of the toilet bowl and then open up this nozzle, and then you spray it on the under edge of the toilet, like so, this liquid. And you don't want to get this on your hands. So you're going to just put some in your toilet like that, and it's going to sit for a few minutes while we are cleaning the rest of the bathroom. So we'll come back to that in a minute. So the next thing I'm going to do is clear off my countertop, and I'm going to just set these items on the floor behind me. And I'm going to get my glass cleaner and spray my mirror. I'm going to use a paper towel, just a couple sheets of paper towel to wash the mirror. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to grab my disinfectant spray, and I'm going to spray it on the countertop surface and the handles, inside the sink, and then I'm going to set that down. And I've got a washcloth here that I'm going to get wet, and then I'm going to wring it out just a little bit, and I'm going to use this to scrub the countertop. You want to be careful to not touch your face when you're using these chemicals. You don't want them to burn your eyes. If you have rubber gloves, you can use those while you're cleaning if you like. It's definitely not required though. You can wash your hands when you're done and you'll be just fine. So I'm going to scrub the counter and the handlebars. And then I'm going to get this wet again and scrub the inside of the sink. Get all the toothpaste out. Sometimes it helps to pull up the drain plug so you can really scrub that well. And you're going to open the drain by pushing that down. I'm going to rinse my rag again. Get all that chemical off there. Then I'm going to turn the water off and give my countertop a quick rinse with this rag. And then I'm going to hang that rag up to dry. And I got a towel. I'm going to dry this counter off. Dry off my handles for my sink. And then I can put the items that were on the counter back up on the counter. Got my hand soap, got a little candle. I also have a toothbrush holder, and if you can see this, it's kind of gross, so I'm going to use my rag to wipe off my toothbrush holder too. because that gets kind of icky. Now, I wash the handle of my toothbrush too, actually. Okay, so the mirror and the countertop and sink are done. Our toilet bowl has been sitting for a few minutes, so let's take a peek at what that looks like. You can see that the cleaner has spread down around the edges of the bowl. This is called a toilet bowl wand or cleaner scrub. I'm going to dip it in the water, get it wet, and then I'm going to scrub the edges of the toilet bowl. Get it wet again, just really scrub it. If there are any stains or a circle on there, you want to make sure you scrub it off really well. Okay, and once that's done, I'm going to spray the paper towel I had earlier with this disinfectant spray. And then I'm actually going to wipe down the edges of the toilet as well. Start at the top, then do the lid as it's closed. Do the inside, wipe down the seat, the back side of the seat, and then wipe the edge of the toilet as well. And then this can go in the trash. And then I'm going to close my lid, flush down the chemicals, and that's it for cleaning your bathroom. You could clean the tub too if you wanted. My tub's clean right now, so I'm not going to do that. But this cleaner would also work in the tub. You'd wet it down, spray this cleaner around the edges of the tub, and then use your washcloth to scrub it and rinse when you're done. That's it for the bathroom. Thanks, guys.